Welcome back to Samity's channel for mathematics, and today you've met for another day. We're talking about topic linear equation. So we are having a question over here. Find the value of x in the equations below. Find the value of x in the equations below. So we're having two equations. This serves as a preamble, right? So we are having two equations over here. 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 is one equation. We're also having the second question over here to solve. 5x minus 16 is equal to 4. It's also another equation, right? So let's go through them systematically one after the other. Let's start from the first one. So we rewrite the equation 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. After rewriting it, it is a linear equation. Linear equations are of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is a constant and or a coefficient to, you can call it a constant or a coefficient of this x, and this x is the variable in the question, plus this b. The b is also a constant over here, is equal to 0. So it's of this form. Since this equation is exactly of this form, then it is called a linear equation or a polynomial with degree 1. A polynomial with degree 1. So what we do is that we group items. It's very simple. So from this implies that 2s is equal to 0 minus 4. We are grouping items, so 4 will cross the equal sign and it becomes negative after crossing it, and so you're having, this implies again that 2s is equal to negative 4. This is just a simple math, a very simple math, right? So we divide both sides by 2 to find our x. So 2 cancels 2 here over here. So finally our x is equal to 2 goes into negative 4, negative 2 times. So our x is negative 2. Our x is negative 2. Let's try the second question over here. So as we did for the first one, we rewrite 5s minus 16 is equal to 4. So the same thing, we compare to the general one, plus b is equal to 0. So this one is the same thing. Our a is 5, our b is negative 16, and here it was supposed to be a constant, right? We are still having a constant, so it's still a linear equation. So the same thing, we group items. We're having 5x over here, so it's equal to 4. This is negative, it goes here, crosses the equal sign, becomes positive, so plus 16. Finally 5x is equal to 20. So we make sure we divide both sides by our 5 over here, and 5 cancels 5 over there, and what you get is that s becomes 4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Come here to watch more videos. Thank you. Alright viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.